Hey friend, welcome back. Let's talk about Sushi Swap, my price prediction and chart analysis of Sushi Swap, Sushi Token for the month of May. So if you're wondering, should you buy sushi? Should you sell? What's happening? I will answer all of your questions in this video. And as always, this is not financial advice. It's for educational purpose only. So when it comes to making money with crypto, you need to do two simple things. You need chart pattern, so you know where to buy low and sell high, and you need risk management, which is a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. And if this sounds complicated, it's not. Let me explain. So here I am on Sushi's chart. And as always, we want to look at the daily chart. We want to zoom out and have a big picture look at the price. So because the big picture gives us clues on where the future price could potentially go to, and it prevents us from buying high and selling low. For example, there's people who bought here who FOMO'd in, and then the price dropped 40%, which caused them to buy high and sell low. And next up right here, how people bought up here, and then the price dropped 39%. All right, so next up, we want to draw our chart pattern. And whenever you're drawing a chart pattern, what I do see is right here. So whenever you're drawing a chart pattern, you want to zoom into the 4-hour chart. So you have a more detailed look at the chart, so you know where to buy low and sell high. All right, so this chart looks a bit long, so I'll go on a daily chart. And what I do see is a descending channel right here, right here, right here. So whenever you're drawing a descending channel, you want the price, you want the lines to touch the candles at least twice. So once here, awesome. And then once here, almost another time here, 3-4 times, awesome. So here we are, and the price seems like it's going down on a downward channel. Would you say so? So for those who don't know, support is a price level where people think it's cheap, so they want to step in and buy. Just notice how the price almost touched this level, and then the price bounced 22%. Notice how the price touched this level again, right here, okay, right here, and then it bounced 56%, all right? All right, so for those who don't know, resistance is a price level where people think it's too expensive, so they sell. For example, notice how the price touched here, and then it dipped 38%. Then notice how the price almost touched the resistance line, and then it dipped 46%. And notice how the price is touching the resistance line and now struggling to break out of it. All right, so to recap, support is a price level where people think it's cheap, so they step in and buy. And resistant is a price level where people think it's too expensive, so they step in and sell. So what usually happens in a downward channel is that it usually goes down like this, and then it either breaks down or up. All right, and if sushi goes up or down, it's kind of dependent on what Bitcoin decides to do. So I'll give you both a bearish scenario and a bullish scenario. Okay, so on a bullish scenario, like right here, what we can see, if it's bullish, then it breaks out and it goes back to the all-time high of $22 and it keeps going up. So for the month of May, if we're bullish, then I do expect for a price to break the previous all-time high, let me mark it for you, it would be $23 and it would go beyond. So that would be a measured move of 43% gain. So if you're buying right now, and if it does go back to the previous all-time high, you would make a 44% gain if it breaks up. However, since it's hitting resistance and the price looks like it's struggling and looks like people are selling, price could go like this and it breaks down to the channel. So what do we want to do? We want to buy on support, because when it goes down to support, it has a strong probability of bouncing back up. So in this example, say the price does go down and we enter on support and we use risk management. And risk management is just a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. All right, let me give you an example right here. All right, give me a second. Something like this and like this. All right, so say that the price does break down. And notice how the price usually bounces on support. So say you enter a trade with $5,000, all right, $5,000, and the price bounces up and hits resistance, which is a logical place for you to take profit. So if you enter here and the price goes up, hits resistance, you would gain 60% of that $5,000. However, if the price breaks down it hits your stop loss and you automatically sell the coin, you lose 8%. So see how you have the potential to gain 60% but lose 8%? This is how you trade with a mathematical edge, and this is how you make money over a long run. Because you can't just buy and hope and hold, because what happens if the price keeps going down? There's people who bought here. There's people who bought here, and if they're still holding, they would be down 29%, and you wouldn't want to be down 29% on your money. And there's people who bought here and they sold at a 54% drop. And yeah, so you always want to use stop loss. You always want to use risk management. So you see how when you draw your chart pattern, you know where to buy low and sell high. And when you use risk management, you gain more money than you lose. This is how you trade. You use these two concepts, you combine them, and this is how you make money over a long run. So friend, if you have enjoyed how I have explained trading, technical analysis, then you definitely enjoy my premium Telegram group where I'll help you become a smart trader and investor. So when you join my group, you get a winning portfolio strategy, small cap coins that can go 10x, and you get access to my trading course so you learn how to trade with confidence and much more. Membership starts at $37. You can message me on Telegram. Here's my username ID, and here's my address that you can enter to contact me. And there's 86 of us. You come in, you join, you chat, you chill, you learn, and it's really fun. Or you can click on the video description and click here to contact me and chat with me on Telegram. Anyways, friend, if you're holding on Sushi, I do hope that you do buy on support, buy low, sell high, and use risk management. And just be careful out there. Yeah, I do hope that you make a lot of money during the bull run. And yeah, so if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll make more awesome videos to come. Thank you.